Hi friends, it's Miss Vanessa from Children's Museum Tucson, and today I'm going to be reading Pete the Cat and His 4 Groovy Buttons. The art in this story is by James Dean, and the story is written by Eric Litwin, and it is published by Harper. All right, look at the first part. When I open the pages, I see so many colorful buttons. Pete the Cat and his 4 groovy buttons. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, round, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons, my buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. Let's count his buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? So he had 4 buttons and 1 rolled away. Now he has 1, 2, that's right, 3 groovy buttons. 4 minus 1 equals 3. And Pete the Cat thinks, groovy. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? He had 3 buttons and 1 rolled away. Boop. That's right, 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. What's going to happen? Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? So we had 2 buttons and 1 rolled away. 1 button left. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song. My button, my 1 groovy button. My button, my 1 groovy button. Button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left? If he had 1 button and it popped off and rolled away, how many are left? Bloop, 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. Pete looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw? What's down there? His belly button! And he kept on singing his song. It's all good. My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. The end. Thank you so much for reading with me today, and I hope that we can read together again soon. Bye!